Are you curious about how your home can be smarter and safer in the coming year? Let's unveil the 2024 trends in home security and automation that are set to redefine comfort, convenience, and peace of mind. In a world where technology constantly evolves, understanding these changes can make all the difference in our daily lives. Join me as we uncover what the future holds for home security. Hi, I'm Kathy Sizemore, your security pro. I've been navigating the intricate world of home security and smart technology for over 25 years. In this video, we'll be talking about the trends set to define home security and automation in 2024, breaking them down into simple, actionable insights. As we dive into the latest trends in home security for 2024, the spotlight is on AI-driven security systems. This year is all about building on the significant advancements we've seen recently. Take Resideo, for example. They've really caught attention with their innovations like the First Alert VX1 HD Video Doorbell and the VX3 HD Outdoor Camera. Both of these devices launched in the latter part of 2023, and they are more than just standard security devices. They mark a significant advancement in making our homes smarter and safer. Now let's take a dive into what sets these smart devices apart in today's home security scene. Picture this, a security system that does more than just watch. It actually understands what's happening around your home. Resideo's intelligent devices are equipped at recognizing different events. They know the difference between people, cars, animals, and even packages. This means that you get to choose the alerts that you really need. Like, maybe you only want to know if there's someone in your driveway, a possible guest, or maybe something that needs your attention. And not every time a neighborhood cat goes walking by. This kind of smart alert system keeps you in the loop on the important stuff without bombarding you with every little thing. The innovation doesn't stop there. Here's something really cool that's coming up. Ubiety's present detection technology. This isn't just about sensing movement. It's about knowing who's actually in your house. Now, I am super excited to show you more about Ubiety in an upcoming video. It's all about Ubiety and Resideo and how they're joining forces. We're going to dig deep into this game-changing technology, so make sure to catch that video. But there's more to AI and home security than just keeping an eye out. These systems are becoming a part of our daily lives, blending seamlessly with the way we live. Whether it's tweaking the settings in your house, handling your security needs, or making sure that your surveillance is on point. These systems are all about tailoring to your habits. They're not just keeping your home safe, they're making it more comfortable and suited to you. As 2024 rolls on, we're seeing AI-driven security systems, especially from brands like Resideo, really change the game in home safety. With other big names like DMP also heading towards AI, it looks like we're entering a really exciting new chapter in home security. We're talking about homes that are not only safe, but also smart, adapting to our lifestyles in really intuitive ways. This is where home security is headed, proactive, intelligent, and woven right into the fabric of our daily lives. Now let's explore a significant trend in smart homes for 2024, the integration of security systems with home automation. It's fascinating how these systems are evolving. They're not just about security anymore. They're becoming central hubs for our homes. Think of it like having a command center that not only keeps you safe, but also manages your home's day-to-day functions. Companies like Resideo are at the forefront of this trend. They're transforming traditional security systems into versatile home managers. Imagine coming home to an environment that's already adjusted to your preferences. The lights are set just right, the temperature is comfortable, and maybe there's even some soft music playing. It's all seamlessly integrated and controlled. Adding to this, systems like Brilliant are simplifying how we manage our smart homes. These platforms allow you to control various devices, regardless of the brand, from one central point. It's about making the control of your smart home more intuitive and streamlined. Whether it's adjusting lights, setting thermostats, or monitoring security cameras, it's all accessible from one place. The trend is really about enhancing the functionality and convenience of our homes. It's technology designed to fit our lifestyles, making everyday interactions with our homes simpler and more efficient. As we move through 2024, expect to see more of these integrated, User-friendly systems becoming key features in smart homes, all enhancing our living experience. Before we close out, let's chat about something pretty big that's shaking up smart homes in 2024: the rise of Matter. Now, you might be asking, what's Matter all about? Well, think of it as a game changer, a universal language that all your smart home devices understand. This is huge because it tackles a big problem that can cause a big headache for a lot of people: getting devices from different brands to work together smoothly. Let's put it this way. Imagine if every gadget in your home spoke a different language: your lights, your thermostat, your security system. If they're from different brands, getting them to communicate could be a real hassle. You want a seamless, coordinated home, but instead you end up feeling like a translator, juggling multiple languages. But here's where Matter steps in and changes the game. It gives all these devices a common language. Now, no matter who makes them, they can talk to each other with ease. Picture this: you tweak your thermostat and your lights adjust to match the mood, even if they're from different companies. That's the kind of smooth, hassle free experience Matter is bringing to the table. Looking ahead, Matter is poised to totally transform our smart home experiences. We're moving from a bunch of isolated, brand locked devices to a world where everything in your home works together in a unified, integrated way. Matter is paving the way for smart homes that are not just a collection of gadgets, but a harmonious, easy to use system, making our everyday life more connected and convenient. As we wrap up our journey through the 2024 trends in home security and home automation, remember that your home is more than a living space. It's a hub of safety, convenience, and innovation. And if you're eager to delve deeper into these trends, download my ebook, Smart Home Security: A Detailed Look into the Future of Protection. The link is waiting for you in the video description below. But our conversation doesn't have to end here. I want to hear from you. What trend excites you the most? Do you have any questions about making your home smarter and safer? Go ahead and drop your thoughts, comments, questions below in the comment section. And until next time, stay safe, stay vigilant, and let's embrace the future of home security and automation together.